As you start to plan your menu for Easter, you're probably noticing that this year's menu is sounding pretty much the same as last year and the one before. Now, I'm big on keeping traditions going. After all, what's Easter without Aunt Mary's potatoes? But this year, we thought it'd be a good idea to sneak in a new dish right into the mix. It's a Southern classic that's very welcome. We start off by adding some pineapple gelatin mix to a saucepan. And when I say mix, I mean the dry powder right out of the box. Now, to that, we add some sugar, cornstarch, and a bit of water, and we'll let that cook until it thickens up. Once it does, we add in some pineapple tidbits that we've drained, along with a good amount of shredded cheddar cheese. After giving this a quick stir, we pour it into a casserole dish and finish it off with a buttery crumb topping before popping it into the oven. You see, as it bakes, the pineapple cheese mixture gets bubbly delicious, and our cracker topping gets all crispy. And when you serve this with your Easter ham or any of your holiday classics, don't be surprised when everyone asks for seconds. So right after the news, why don't you go online and get the recipe for our perfect pineapple casserole so you can add it to this year's holiday lineup. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a comforting way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."